Hi guys, so jumping right on into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was apply leave-in conditioner to my hair, separated into 4 sections, and then braided the back 2 sections. The front 2 sections are where I'm going to be taking my leave out from, obviously. Now for my leave out, what I did was take about 1 inch on either side of my middle part out, and then I also took a small section on either side of my hairline just to have kind of a little bit of coverage for the side of the wig, but this is completely optional if you don't plan on swooping your hair back or, having to protect your hair from like the wind blowing or anything like that, and you don't really care, then, you don't have to leave out hair on the sides as well. Now for the remaining hair in these sections that will not be left out, all I did was French braid them down so that way they can be anchor braids for the hair clips to hold the wig in place. Now, I chose to completely blow dry my hair on high heat. However, if you are trying to protect your hair from heat damage and want to be extra careful, a good idea is to stretch your hair beforehand or to start by blow drying it on cool heat before hitting it with high heat to smooth it out. Also, I forgot to mention that I used some heat protectant on my real hair just to make sure, that I'm being extra safe. I used the Icy Fantasia. I will link it in the description box. Okay, so although these clips did the job, I personally prefer the Snap mini clips for U-part wigs. So if I were to wear this long term, I definitely would end up switching these clips out with some of those that you can buy at the hair store. Okay, so for the installation of the wig, I purposely did not speed this clip up because I wanted to show you guys just how fast it takes to like snap this wig on and just plop it on and go. So this is honestly a really good wig if you are trying to, boom, 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 be out of your house. However, you do have to deal with leave out, so it's kind of like a give and take. Okay guys, so overall I really do like this wig. However, a big downside is having to deal with leave out, and I have not dealt with my real hair being straightened in like almost 2 years, so this is like a big adjustment for me. And honestly, I was getting very frustrated, but it was with my real hair, it wasn't really with the wig. But I really do recommend it if this is a style that you're going for. I think it gives you like a very like natural look. So if this is something you're interested in, then be sure to check out the description box and click the links and purchase you one. Thank you guys so much for watching.